I love loaded baked potatoes. Today I'm showing you how to make loaded smashed potatoes on your Blackstone. So simple and fast, perfect for any party, family style appetizer, or as a side dish. Buttery baby potatoes smashed and topped with cheddar cheese, crispy bacon, and extra green onions. This one is one of my favorites. Let me show you how to make them at home. I don't know anybody that doesn't like potatoes, except for Sean behind the camera. Everyone else I know loves potatoes. They're so versatile. We love loaded baked potatoes. On the griddle though, it's so fun smashing just about everything. We've got some baby potatoes that I've already boiled. And then you just need a few simple ingredients of whatever kind of cheese you want to load your potatoes with. Today we've got just a sharp cheddar cheese. Very important to hand grate it yourself for that extra melty goodness. One of my favorite things is extra green onions. I'm gonna slice these super thin. And then we've got some bacon. Now you can either cut this up on the griddle or let it cook and then cut it. I like using shears and cutting it nice and small. We'll get this onto our griddle to cook nice and slowly, allowing the fat to render out. We want that bacon fat reserved for our potatoes to mix in with some butter. I've got a good Kerrygold Irish butter, a little bit of oil, and that bacon fat, and these potatoes can drop down, toss throughout all of that while our bacon hangs out on our burners off. Now that it's looking perfect, we'll take our hamburger smasher with a little bit of parchment paper and smash these potatoes down. Now, the longer you cook them, the crispier they are going to get. You can keep flipping them back and forth until they are as done as you like them, adding more butter and or oil as needed. You can use any seasoning that you like, but I love adding Blackstone's Chicken Griddle for a little different kick of flavor to our loaded potatoes. We'll grab our shredded cheese, top these potatoes off with a handful over each one, load it up with our crispy bacon bits. Once our cheese is melted, we'll plate these up. Today we're going family style, kind of like a little appetizer. A post thus of our chicken griddle and a ton of those green onions because they make everything better in my opinion. Served alongside some sour cream for dipping or scooping or spreading across the top. The choice is yours. Either way, these are so fun, and I'm a mom, so they're kid friendly, of course. My family loves these, and I hope that you guys love these just as much as I do. You know my rule, post a picture if you make them, because I love seeing you guys at home recreating all of the food I love stuffing my face with. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys for another family style recipe in the next video. Ooh, so good.